Pandemic has impacted everyone in different ways, but new national data shows there is a particularly hard impact for women. That data shows some 865,000 women left the labor force in September alone. NBC Connecticut's Stuart explains why that happened and what it means for women in the workplace.
We see a lot of those Main Street businesses owned and operated by women. A lot of them owned and operated by women of color.
Pastor, CEO of the Women's Business Development Council, says places like hair salons are where people gather and connect. If those Main Street businesses start folding up, then everyone loses. In Connecticut, 100,000 women filed unemployment claims last month, compared to 80,000 men, according to the Department of Labor.
During the 2008 recession, the majority of people on unemployment were men, and they were men in higher paying jobs.
The pandemic has hit women in low-wage jobs harder than men.
How are they ever going to catch up? And what is the impact on our social safety nets?
Older white female executives have also been impacted.
According to a McKinsey & Company report, 1 in 4 women are considering downsizing their career or leaving the workforce altogether. The shift impacts women more than men because mothers are more likely to stay home with their children than fathers.
That's in corporate America. Most of the women Tenesha Grant works with at CRT's Women Empowerment Center work in retail or food services. Those industries were hard hit by the pandemic.
Being compounded with the fact that they may have small children at home that they have to get online to do schoolwork with.
Grant says coming up with a schedule that works for the employer in online schooling has been challenging.
Businesses have to operate, and they need you there to be able to operate, but you can't right now because of the challenges with childcare.
Grant says she's been trying to help women reinvent themselves in terms of highlighting skills they may have that allow them to be employed at home.
So going online and just looking to see if there are any companies and agencies that are willing to hire them with their specific skill sets.
I'm Stuart, NBC Connecticut News.